Hi, I'm Ian. I'm a member of Hema's Alpha Mapping program, and in this video I'm going to explain the differences between Hema's Hema Nav software and Hema's 4-wheel drive maps software, and when you would use each of those applications. On the home screen of your device, you can see there are two different icons, Hema Nav and Hema 4-wheel drive maps. These two apps provide differing information in different formats. 4-wheel drive maps, for example, is a once-only subscription-based software powered by memory maps. It uses the raster map style. Once you have a subscription to this product, you will have access to not only Hema's full suite of paper maps in digital format, but also many other maps offered by memory maps. Numerous maps of differing scales are available for most locations across Australia in this app. The scale and the information in these maps is fixed, in that when you zoom in, there is no change in map data at all. This is just like viewing a paper map, just in a digital screen. You can still pinpoint your location and track your progress in the 4-wheel drive maps software. The advantages of this map style is that you can zoom out for a better overview of an area in which you're travelling. You can easily see distances between points on the map. You can view detailed maps of selected areas. You can apply numerous maps of the same location, each having a different scale and offering different map data. Some of these maps will also provide points of interest suitable for travelling in that region. The disadvantage of this map style is that it takes longer to update the data, and hence updates are less regular than the Hema Nav mapping style. 4-wheel drive map software is great when travelling on long distance journeys where voice guidance may not be required, and a greater overview of the complete journey is appreciated. For example, the iconic destinations such as the Great Central Road, Great Desert Tracks, Canning Stock Route, Gibb River Road, Cape York and Fraser Island. Hema Nav, for example, is one single map covering the whole of Australia. It is a vector style map. This means that as you zoom in, you will find different map data and information at different zoom levels. In other words, the scale of the vector map is constantly changing according to the zoom level selected, as opposed to the 4-wheel drive maps software where the scale of the map does not change. Vector maps can provide a much more detailed map view and at a higher resolution. A 3D effect is available to show terrain elevation, and pinpoint accuracy is achievable with this map style. This map style is much easier to update, and Hema is committed to offering quarterly updates to the Hema Nav software. This ensures that you have the latest map data available. Hema Nav software is available free of charge for 3 years. You will then have access to all map and software updates during that period. After 3 years, it will become subscription-based. Hema Nav software is excellent for routing, route planning, voice and visual guidance to road-based locations, and visual guidance only to off-road locations. Thanks for watching. I hope you've gained some valuable knowledge, and you can learn more by visiting hemamaps.com.